Hello everyone. Today we'll interface IR sensor with Arduino and we'll write a program to turn on an LED when sensor detects an obstacle. We are using IR sensor which reads the input and which is taken to the Arduino board as an input. And then from there we are also connecting an LED. The LED should blink when IR sensor detects any input. Components required. These are the different components. We need an Arduino board, breadboard, LED, resistor is optional, and we also need a IR sensor. This is the IR sensor. So IR sensor basically it looks like this, where we have two LEDs. One is IR emitter LED and this is IR receiver LED. When you place any obstacle in front of these LEDs, then the signal will be taken to Arduino. And this is distance adjust pin. We have power LED. Once we give power to this IR sensor, this LED will be turned on. And obstacle LED means whenever obstacle comes in front of this IR sensor, then this LED blinks. And we have three pins for this IR sensor. One is VCC. This pin will connect with the help of the wire will connect to Arduino 5 volts pin, and ground connected to ground of Arduino. Output pin, whichever pin we specify in our program to that particular pin of Arduino, we will connect this output pin. Connections, it is done in the same order. The only thing is we have not used resistor here. Directly this pin number 3 is connected to the positive terminal of LED. Pin number 2 is connected to output, means the IR sensor signal is taken to Arduino board at pin number 2. Ground of IR sensor is connected to ground of Arduino board. You can see here. And VCC is connected to this VCC is connected to 5 volts of Arduino board. And negative terminal of the LED is connected to ground. You can see it is connected to ground here. All right. So the connections are same. I have also taken the same pin numbers, that is LED sensing input is taken at pin number 2 and output to this LED is taken from pin number 3. Let us look at the program. Here we have declared three variables. One is IR, which is connected to pin number 2, LED connected to pin number 3, and we have taken one more variable X. In word setup, we are mentioning three things. Serial begin with baud rate of 9600, so that it reads the serial port is started. We are initializing the serial port. And pin mode, pin number 2 is input mode, means IR sensor is connected to pin number 2. Pin number 3 is output. LED is connected as output at pin number 3. In while loop, we are reading a signal from IR sensor, and that value is taken inside X. Therefore, we have taken this X variable, which stores the value of the IR sensor. And we are printing serial dot print line X, means we are printing the value of X. And after printing one value, the delay is 500. And after that, we will check if the value of X is 1. So initially X will be equals to 1. It means that IR sensor not activated. So when IR sensor is not activated, our LED should be off. So therefore, if X is equals to 1, our LED is off. We'll writing low to this LED. If else X is equals to 0, then IR sensor is activated. When the IR sensor is activated, then we have to write high. We have to send 1 to Now we have to send high to pin number 3. When we upload the program, if we check at the serial monitor, we can see initially when there is no obstacle in front of the IR sensor, we see that the input is 1. When we place any obstacle in front of the IR sensor, then you can see the signal is 0. If I remove the obstacle, I will get 1 as my input. If I place an obstacle, then I will get 0. Similarly, initially the LED in the breadboard is at off position. When I place a obstacle in front of the sensor, then LED is on.